So this is an old photo that's probably from somewhere between 1915 and 1920. And this photo has already gone through some of the restoration process, but it's got a lot of spots left on it. So let's look at how you can use the spot healing tool to improve things. So we're going to zoom in here so that we can take a look at them. Up here is the spot healing brush tool. So you can change the size of the brush, and then you basically paint over the things that you want to get rid of. It analyzes the colors and material that are around where you're trying to heal it. Those serve as the basis for the brush. In many cases, it's just a matter of clicking on a spot to heal it. Or you may drag over a scratch to heal it. Be aware that you can use different brush sizes. Okay, we're going to go zoom out, fit on the screen, and you can see there are a number of improvements that have been made to this photo in a very short time.